That's what. That's for sure. Ooh, can't even talk. Alright, good fam. So we just touched down to Fort Lauderdale. Now we have to go rent a car and drive down to Miami. It's fairly close. Like it's just like our backyard, to be honest. Yeah. So we're home. Ish. Get one from you. Thank you. We out this bill.
Wondering what you got for me. Egyptian cotton is out to be.
Gotta go meet my mom real quick to get the keys, and then we're off to meet up with Amelia's parents before they hit it. They will book a trip when they knew we was coming here to leave. That's just disrespectful.
Go to Miami driving. Ooh.
Back with my peoples. Get the hell out the way. Drive or get out the way. Alright, y'all. Stop number one. My mama. Let's see if she can answer. You got a dog?
A dog?
Oh, I heard a dog no.
Hey, Amelia.
What is this?
Oh, this is my goat.
Yes.
She's so extra.
I like it.
Alright, we saw my mama. Now time to chop it up with Amelia mama.
Come on.
New hair, who this? Who this woman? What's your name?
Regina.
Regina. Regina, how you doing?
Hi, hot.
Hot.
Yeah.
Damn right you're hot. We just we just finished up in the Museum of Ice Cream. And we're gonna walk the beach. We haven't been on a beach in a long time, especially this beach. Your sand don't look like this? It ain't real. Baby, let me tell y'all something. This sun, and what it's doing to this sand? Ruthless. It's hot out here. I can't even fathom living in this heat again. I don't understand it. I appreciate it, but I couldn't do it 365. I know that much. Alright, bam, so check it. In high school, we used to go to this place, freaking this place a lot called Chicken Kitchen. And pollo is kind of like almost similar to it, but it's not the same. So we're gonna try it. We're trying it out now as adults with different taste buds. Hopefully it tastes the same. I have high hopes. Really what we go here for is that curry mustard. So I usually get he shorted me on that chicken. Like, I feel cheated. But it's yellow rice, black beans, and grilled chicken. And my chicken like ain't got no seasoning. This already ain't looking too hot. You know, I know we on South Beach and bitches be pressed about, you know, what a waistline look like, but not me. Not I. Alright, we're gonna get this sauce up in there. Can you drizzle this sauce or can you put this? They can't see that. They don't even look good. She ain't too much help with the drizzling, cause you see she trying to stuff her face too. What'd you get?
The Mexican chop.
Gross.
Where's the guac?
It's not in there?
Oh.
And do I need to go back?
And this is one of those containers.
No, it's not one of those. I prepped those myself.
Yeah, you didn't guac.
You wanna go back?
Yeah. No.
Ain't the same, dog. I'm hungry though.
No. I just have no seasoning.
I blame you, Ebony. Shop should have been open today. I was expecting the shop to be open. But you said the shop open on Saturday, so I'm coming through. Best believe it. But until then, I'm gonna eat this seasonless meat of cilantro and garlic.
Which one? This one?
That one, yeah. I figured you want that.
Yeah.
Weak.
You're really weak.
I'm eating because I'm hungry. I just want you to know that. This ain't eating for pleasure. I don't eat for pleasure. Maybe I throw some barbecue sauce on it.
Is that this brown thing?
Mm-hmm. Alright, we'll get Amelia guac and then we can hit it. I feel like you can't really be from Miami if you don't know about certain things, like the real Miami. Not like South Beach, not like Miramar, but you want to claim like you from Miami. Like no fam, you not. Like you gotta know about like Calle Ocho, you gotta know about 20th Street, you gotta know about, you know, what the whole stroll at on 79th Street. Like you gotta know about the Flea. Ooh, we should go to the Flea and get mangoes.
We should go to the Flea.
Oh my gosh. Okay, let's check in. And then
and
then go to. We finna go do it. This is really sad. This is how we come home. We come home, we see who we need to see, and then we go run our own stuff and grounds. So y'all gonna get to see a lot of that this time, because every time we come down here, I record it, but I just never find the time to edit it. So a part of me trying to do better and get stuff out within the week that I recorded. So y'all gonna be in a pretty good treat. But like I said, if you done been to Miami and you ain't done been to some of these places, you haven't really been to Miami. South Beach is not Miami. That's a whole nother city. Like, don't be fooled by the hype. Oh my gosh, we should go to Miracles too. The conch balls, comforters. Okay, yeah, see, this is the only time I'm really fat and I really eat food, because I don't, truth be told, like, honestly, I don't like, eating is a workout for me. Like, that shit's like for the birds in a sense. But when I come home, it's like, oh, I need to get this, I need to get that, and I need to go to the corner store. So Aisha, I'm gonna show you what a sausage sandwich look like, fam, and what you're supposed to do with it. Stay tuned. I know you're watching this, so yeah. Get your setup right. Some vinegar, salt, pepper. You're good to go. Prefer mine a little bit cooler than what it is now. So, but yes, you can't really mess up. Only way you can mess this up is like if the mango ain't right. We finna see, but y'all know me. You always try stuff first. So, you ready? No, don't break my heart how Chicken Kitchen broke it.
Well, Miami changed on us, so.
Bruh. It's hot. Know that. It is hot. I just want you to understand me when I tell you it is fucking hot. This damn fork don't work. it's worth me taking off my retainer for.
Just don't eat those parts.
Oh, that looked too ripe for my blood. Either way.
Part. Childhood.
Well, the flea market might have changed, but goddamn it, a mango salad ain't changed. So, one for whatever everything else we done tried out that ain't done been the same. I guess off the miracles. Get some conch if it's open, and if not, we'll just get some tomorrow from the shop.
Woo.
Well, dang. You could take them out though. Alright, so we done made it to Chef Creole. And Amelia about to get her everlasting life. We tried to go to Miracles, but Miracles closed, so we're gonna try to go maybe Saturday afternoon or something, like when they first open. Cause that's some like crack, bruh. So yeah. Spicy?
No spicier than normal.
Alright, so fam, it's a wrap for day one. I'll catch y'all at day two. It's wedding day for the most part. And then we'll go to the shop, call it a day, get me some anything wings. Be jealous.